Hello, let's see how we can create video like this. So let's come back to Canva homepage, and now we can click video, choose video, and let it be Facebook video. And now we can search for Christmas toy. Let's go to the left side menu, elements, and now we can enter Christmas tree toy and choose graphics. And we see Pro and free toys. We can click on free if we use free Canva. So we see that we can find free toys. I am choosing Pro. So we can make it bigger. And now we can click letter T to write the text, or we can go to the left side menu, click letter T, and click heading. So here we can enter our text. And I am entering Merry Christmas. Now we can add it on the top, click on the text, go to the effects, and here we can choose curve. And now we can adjust the curve. Okay, now we can click on the text and click right button, and here we see duplicate, or we can click Ctrl+D. Now we can duplicate and we can enter and Happy New Year. Now click on the next text, go to effects and curve, and here we can adjust curve to other side. Now we can select all and click group. If we want to add a background, we can go to elements and we can enter Christmas background. And we can search for photos if we want to add the photo. So we can choose any background we like. We can click right button and set image as a background. If we want to add a video, we can click videos here on the top. So click videos and we can search for video background. So we can choose any background we want. For example, I'm choosing this one. So we can click on video and click right button and replace the background. So we have the background. Now we can search for Christmas tree branch. So let's go to elements and we can enter pine tree branch and choose graphics. And we see a lot of pine trees. So we see free and pro. So you can choose any you want. For example, I'm choosing this one. So, and now we can duplicate this one. Click left, click right button and duplicate. So I have two. And now we can select the toy, go to position and layers, and let's drag the toy between the trees, between the pine tree branch. So now we can a little bit adjust. Okay, now I'm adding this one on the top and we can cut it. Choose here and cut like this. We can make it smaller and now we can adjust and cut it. Okay, now looks good. And we can add a little nice circle. So let's go to elements, and now let's enter fading, sparkler, circle, and choose graphics. And here we can find 3 fading sparkle circles. So you can choose any you like. We can make it smaller, and we can add it on the top. Great, yes? And if you want, you can add a music. Let's go to the left side menu, apps, and choose audio. And here you can enter Christmas, and you can search for any Christmas music. For example, I'm choosing this one, free music. We can click on it, and we can resize our video. And now looks good. We can download. We can go to the share button on the right side, click share, download, choose MP4 file, and choose download. I hope you like this quick tutorial. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. See you!